What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at the Melloy Auto Group in Los Lunas. I'm standing out here by the interstate watching all the trucks and cars and campers go by. Everybody's going on vacation, going to the lake, but you ain't, and that's okay. You're the lucky one. That means you get to come down to the Melloy Los Lunas Memorial Day Reprocessed vehicle event. There goes a camper right there. That's a nice camper. So if you are looking for a vehicle, this is your weekend. If you're in town, get on down here and see us. We've got all kinds of things going on. We've still got our reprocessed. This has been huge this week, our reprocessed vehicle event. I mean, people are loving it. We have gathered vehicles from all over the Southwest. We've got lease returns, we've got trade-in vehicles, we've got all kinds of vehicles. Plus, we've still got our truckathon going on. We've still got trucks. We've gotten trucks in every day this week. So if you're looking for a vehicle, get on down here this weekend. Don't feel bad about not going on vacation. I didn't get to go on vacation either. So come on down and see us. We are here today, and we're going to be open all weekend. So service is open today. If you're still looking for service for the weekend, get on down here. People are coming and going, but we can get you in. So if you're looking for service, come on in and see us. If you want to get a vehicle, get down here. This is the best weekend of the year to purchase a new or pre-owned vehicle from our reprocessed sale or our truckathon. Chevy's got all kinds of specials going on. Active military, retired military. You can get military pricing with that. They've got special discounts. We've got all kinds of things happening. So if you are in town, get down here right now. Come on, people. This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet. Check us out online at melloychevrolet.com. Give us a phone call, 505-866-3000. Or just get on down here. Exit 203, Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with. We're Melloy Chevrolet, your hometown dealership. Come on, New Mexico. Let's make this happen this weekend. It's huge. Get on down here. Come on.